Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create a multi-level drop-down menu in Hostinger website builder. This is the example of the drop-down menu that we'll see how to create. As you see, just hovering over contact, I see team and booking. How to do it? It's simple. Just log into your Hostinger account, then go to websites. Then next to your website, click on Edit Website button. And now from this website builder page, go to Pages and Navigation and start multi-leveling your navigation menu. Let's say, for example, I want this booking page to show up below contact. I will drag and move it like that, not under it like that, but a little bit to the right side like that. Let's add this team navigation menu below booking. If you have difficulties moving it to the right, just move it a little bit to the side, just like that. And now close this window and don't forget to update your website. Let's view my website live. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger Website Builder Masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Let's view my website live. And now under contact, I have the second contact page, booking and team. And this is how to create a multi-level drop-down menu in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.